The lower guard assembly consists of the plastic guard, the mounting plate, and the guard link. The guard receives lots of wear and abuse. Damage to the plastic portion of the guard is the most common reason that the lower guard is replaced. It is not uncommon for the guard to be cracked or broken by accidentally hitting it with a workpiece. Replacing the lower guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the guard assembly from the saw. I'll spin the saw around and remove the screw that secures the guard link to the rear of the saw. And now I can remove the guard. Now remove the guard link from the guard. Now remove the pivot retainer from the guard to disassemble it. Now I can install the new guard assembly. I'll align the guard spring with the hole in the guard. I'll pivot this around so the rubber bumper is on the inside of the guard, aligned with this tab. I'll hold everything in place as I install the pivot retainer and resecure it with the screw. Now reinstall the guard link. Now begin reinstalling the guard. First, I'll connect the rear of the guard link. Now reinstall the guard. And that's how easy it is to install a new lower guard assembly on your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.